Is President Ruto really delivering the plan? Let us listen to this.
Ile barabara ya kutoka Lamu kuja Garissa kwenda Isiolo na kutoka Isiolo iende kula Mawe, iende kule Modogashe, iteremuke iende Samatar, iteremuke iende Wajia, itoke Wajia Tarbaj, itoke Tarbaj Elwak, itoke Elwak Ramo, itoke Ramo iende mpaka Mandera. Hiyo barabara sasa imefika wakati ya kuijenga.
Rais Ruto ni fire si fire. Rais Ruto aendelee asiendelee.
I was here February last year when I announced the construction of this road from Isiolo backside here to Kulamawe, and this is the section from Kulamawe to Modogash. Then it looked like a story. Then it didn't look like real. Even others say it was a lie. Others said it was not possible. But today, here we are. I am very proud, I'm very happy that finally we are opening up Kenya. We are connecting this nation.
Nyinyi ndio mnaunda hii? Mmefanya kazi ngumu sana. Na mmefanya bidii. Wacha niwapigie makofi.
I think to some extent President William Ruto has tried to deliver what he has been promising to the citizens of this country. Probably he has not met the expectation of everyone, but to some extent he has tried his best in terms of delivering the plans that he had initially for the citizens of this country.